Hello everyone, if you're trying to play GTA 5 and you keep getting this error, activation required, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on GTA 5 easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your Rockstar Games Launcher, and here what you're going to do is you're going to go into settings here, and then you're going to go into account information, and here you're just going to click delete local profile. Don't worry, this doesn't store your saved or your online data. This just stores your password for your Rockstar Games Launcher. So when you click on delete, it will just delete the saved password and you'll have to log into your account once you launch the Rockstar Games Launcher. So just click on delete there. And after that, you're going to make sure that your date and time is set correctly. So if your date and time is set incorrectly, then you cannot access the internet. So just make sure that your date and time is set correctly. Just come here, select your time zone, and then click sync now. And after that, you're going to open up your start menu. You're going to write here view network connections. You're going to select your network connection here. If you're on an Ethernet connection, it should say Ethernet. If you're on a wireless connection, it should say WLAN. Select your network connection. Click change settings of this connection. Go into Internet Protocol version 4. Then click properties, click use the following DNS server addresses, write here 1.1.1.1, and in the alternate DNS, you're going to write 1.0.0.1. Click OK again, and after that, you're going to make sure that you run your games platform and the Rockstar Games Launcher along with your GTA 5 as administrator. So if you have the game on Steam, you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to search for Steam, you're going to right click on it, click run as administrator, and after that, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your Explorer, you're going to go to your GTA's directory, and then what you're going to do is you're going to right click on GTA 5 Enhance, go into properties, click compatibility, click run as administrator, and then click OK, and then try to play your game, and you'll see that your game will work correctly. You will not get that activation required error anymore. So in this case, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.